When you hear Gildas saying, my love for the movement was taken away by another Gilda. When we hear that the light for this movement was put out by another Gilda. At this moment, when we are lighting your candles, we are going to start from the Christ candle. And then you are going to light the candle of the Gilda next to you. Because I wish for us to be a different generation of the Wesley Guild. A generation that when we see that our fellow brother and sister, that their light has gone out, we will go and light that candle again. And so I'm asking that we be a different generation. That when people look at us, but there is the light of Christ. We see it working in our communities, we see it working areas, we see it working on campus. And so I'm asking, let us be a different generation.